We made it to the top. It's the last stairway. Let's go. Go, go. There's a lot of excitement here. We're in Seville, and we've only been here for a few minutes, and we're seeing a lot of exciting things going on. These people seem to be upset about something, I don't know what. But anyway, you can look. I don't know what it's about, but it's colorful. Whatever it is, I hope they get it. They probably want more money. But they're protesting here at the cathedral. What a beautiful place for a protest. Here comes another streetcar. We've been in Seville like 3 minutes. And this is what we're seeing already. Amazing. What a place Seville is. I think I'm going to like it a lot. Oh, there's my wife. What are you doing here? Oh, you got food. All right.
It's bread.
You know, Donald and Rodilla were famous for eating on the church steps, so we're going to find some church steps to eat together here. We got some pastry treats. We're not even sure what it is. But let's go to the front of the cathedral. We can eat over there. It's kind of noisy over here. Whatever they're protesting, I wish them well. Maybe they'll get more money. It's usually a protest for more money. Okay, to the front of the cathedral. How long have we been here? Like 4 minutes?
About, yes.
And we've already gotten into this kind of excitement. To the cathedral to eat. Well, if you've ever watched our videos, you know that Donald and Rodilla, we're famous for eating on the church steps. And whoa, what a church this one is. We don't like to sit in the restaurants. They're dark, they're lonely. You look at the walls, they're a little noisy with the restaurant crowd. We'd rather be out on the street with the people. And look at the view. This is where we are. This is the Seville Cathedral. How magnificent! And it's our breakfast lunch spot. We've only been in Seville now like 10 minutes, and we've already bumped into all of this. It's just a block from our hotel, and we'll show you our hotel in a short while. It's amazingly beautiful. And we paid like $40 for it. It's so cheap here in Seville in November. We were thinking, well, November, it might be a little cold, but you know, the days are like 68 degrees. It's perfect. It's beautiful. It's sunny. Everything's so cheap. But look where we're sitting. This is Donald and Rodilla's lunch spot today. I think people think we're cheap. We won't sit in a restaurant.
We are.
Oh, we are?
We're cheap.
You're saying I'm cheap?
We are.
We are cheap. I admit it. We're cheap. But look where we're in now. You sit in your 4-star restaurants, and we will sit here and we'll look at the cathedral. There's nothing like it. You got to travel like this. And we go to the bakeries. They're amazing. Food, and it's cheap. Do you know what this costs?
This one is
About $4. €4, $4. It's the same. It's 1-to-1 right now. And that's another thing. The dollar is so strong. It's a great time to travel. We don't even know what this. I said. I said, let's just try something new. And this looked interesting. But there's chicken inside. It's an empanada. You know, bite it or break it. Let's see what this is. We don't even know. All right, break it open.
This is big. Chicken.
Yeah, there's a lot of chicken inside. This might be interesting. Oh, it's potato too. A little bit of carrot and vegetable. Okay, this is a new food. It's a good lunch. $4.
Oh, it is like Indian.
Yeah, it's good. It's almost like a
Indian.
curry.
Yeah.
A sweet curry. It's a little spicy. Very nice. It's a empanada type thing, but it's so big. I've never seen an empanada that big. Okay, what else did you get?
I got my all-time favorite.
Every day, my wife has to have her croissant. In Germany, croissant every day.
In the house, croissant.
In Paris, croissant every day.
Italy.
In Seville, Spain, croissant everywhere she goes.
Venetia, croissant.
Okay, we're going to eat our empanada treat. This is actually quite good. And we're going to enjoy the view, and then we'll be going into the cathedral soon. All right, we'll see you later. You know, we had to do part 2 on this lunch because we've just voted it the best food we've ever carried out of a bakery. It is amazing. If you ever come to Seville or Spain, you got to look for these things. They're great big empanadas. They're huge. This is not even half of it, but it's the best we've ever had in a carry-out. I think in Europe, this is the winner, #1. It's like a chicken. It's a sweet curry type. It's got a little mushroom, carrot. It's really amazing. So get one of these chicken empanadas next time you come to Seville. They'll probably be up in Madrid too. It's probably a Spanish treat. I have a feeling it's like a Muslim type, Moorish, you know, inspired thing. It tastes a little bit Middle Eastern with the curry. You know, the Moorish, the Spanish influences. You're getting a mixture of that with this. Anyway, have I raved enough? The #1 carry-out food in all of Europe and in our years of travel. This is it. Oh, by the way, we're still looking at the Seville Cathedral, which isn't just any cathedral. I guess I'll talk about it a little more later. But it's the biggest cathedral. The biggest cathedral in the world. It's not the tallest. Watch our Cologne.
That's the tallest.
Yeah, watch our Cologne Cathedral if you want to see majestic tall. But this is enormous. You can't even see the whole thing. This is just part, but it goes way over there. It's just a big area of cathedral. It's the biggest cathedral in the world and the best carry-out food we've ever had in Europe. What a day. And we've been here in Seville like 30 minutes and we're raving about it already. All right, we'll talk more. There's so much more I'm excited about with this town. And our hotel's over there, just 1 block away. Did I tell you it costs $40? You won't believe it. It's gorgeous. All right, we'll see you out on the street. We made it to the top. It's the last stairway. Let's go. Go. We made it to the top. Oh, and there's my wife.
Hello.
What do you see?
I see the church.
The bullfighting. It's right there. There's the bullfighting ring. That's the first time we've seen it. It's magnificent. We're going over there a little later. But the bullfights, shooting through the bars. The bullfights are only April, May, June. The summer months are too hot, and then it picks up in September. We're coming back probably April or May. I have to see the bullfights. But that is one of the bullfighting rings of the world. It's enormous. And we will go there later. We'll show you up close what it looks like. But there is the city of Seville. And did I tell you before? This is the largest cathedral in the world in area. It has no huge spires, but it's magnificent in its size. It goes way over there. And there is the cathedral of the world for bullfighting. Here's what we're looking through. Here, put your face up.
See.
Oh, that was loud. The bells. The bells.